Meet the ultimate project management template for Notion, your all-in-one workspace to plan, execute, and deliver projects with the power of AI. Everything is already built for you. Open it up and you'll find a fully structured workspace, ready from day one, no setup required. From your project area's hub through team management, schedules, risk registers, budgets, and all the way to project closure, every section is purpose-built and interconnected. The template follows a complete project lifecycle: discovery, initiation, planning, execution, and closure. Each phase has its own tools, checklists, and documents, all linked together. Over 20 databases cover every dimension of project management, from proposals and charters to schedules, stakeholders, quality tracking, and more. See your team's full capacity at a glance, track roles, skills, and allocation across every project, and spot overloading before it becomes a problem. Stay on top of every dollar, track planned versus actual costs, flag budget variances instantly, and keep stakeholders informed with real-time financial visibility. Visual timelines and Gantt-style schedules keep your team aligned. Daily sync-ups, meeting notes, and dependency tracking, all in one place. And powering it all? Built-in AI. Automatic meeting summaries, action item extraction, smart key points, and AI prompts embedded in every phase to guide your decisions. Your project's finally organized. Get the template today by clicking on the link in the description below.